6:10 in the morning. Had a hard time sleeping last night because somebody was revving an engine near me, you know, off and on all night. So every once in a while, vroom, and it would wake me up. So, you know, basically I couldn't get a full rest overnight. So I delayed my my departure, you know, couple hours. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Now we've done our pre-trip, so we are good to go. So we're gonna get on rolling. Yeah, a little freeze on the brakes, but not too bad. We're going to turn our lights on until we're past this guy here. Just be a little bit courteous. I don't know if he's up yet, but I don't want to be blinding him with my lights for signal. There we go. Just a tad bit of courtesy for the highway. Okay. Well, we had stopped at that Gallops up there in, you know, just, you know, about 7 miles from where we slept last night. They had no DEF at the pumps, and I wasn't about to spend 12-15 bucks for 2.5 gallons and stand out there and hold that jug up to put it in my tank. So made it down I-80 to South Bend, Indiana. Stopped at the Pilot there. Put 12 gallons of DEF in the tank. And now I'm back on the road. Gonna stop over in a little bit south of Chicago. So basically I-80 all the way across. You know, basically aiming towards Joliet. You know, which is southwest of Chicago. Head that way, then turn south. And we'll stop for a load check, you know, somewhere along the way there. And then once we get, then we'll make our way towards Effingham. We'll stop for a full tank of fuel there, a load check and a 30-minute break. We'll see how close to Memphis we can get. Alrighty. So we're leaving the Pilot here in Effingham. We got our load check done. We got the fuel. Got to put about 84 gallons in the truck. Went in, got a little something to eat. Got a 30-minute break done. So we got 5 hours and 20 minutes on our clock for that we can drive. Now I just want to negotiate our way out of here. Need a little bit bigger entrance way would be nicer for everybody, but you know, let's turn our lights on. So we're gonna get back on the highway. Our next little pit stop is going to be, where are we stopping at? Marion, Illinois. And then we'll see from there where we want to get to. Off to the left there, we have the Loves.
Take exit 63, US 61, Blytheville, South Division Street and N.
They have a Chester's Chicken, which I can't stand. It's a really bad chicken, bad food in my opinion. That's all it is opinion. They have Godfather's Pizza, which is, it's okay. It's not fantastic, it's not disgusting. It's okay. And they also have an IHOP. Now off to our right here, Exxon, they have a Baskin Robbins and a Pizza Inn Express. A couple places to park. Wish they made this road straight, 90 degrees, so you can see, because there's not a whole lot of room to twist the truck, so you can do so. So we're going to use this middle lane here to make sure we're not going to get in anybody's way. Learn how to drive, dipshit. Could have slowed down, huh? Everybody needs to slow down. Not the only ones who need to use the road. Criminy. If you moved a little more to your right, you wouldn't need to be stopping there. Somebody at dark needs to learn how to drive. Oh, put the freaking hot dog down, put stuff in your face, and learn how to drive. More worried about the food in his hand than anything else. Let's see, is there an open spot right here? Maybe you'll get lucky. No, bobtail right there. Okay. Empty spot there, a couple empty spots there. And there's some empty spots back here as well, so. Empty spot here? Yes, there is. So we're gonna plug it right in here. Yeah. Alright, back it right on in, back it right on in. This is why you don't face into your parking spot. You back into your parking spot. It makes it safer for you and everybody else when you gotta leave in the morning. This guy needs to adjust his dunnage because his dunnage is sitting out. On duty, post trip. Woo! Lights off, flashers off. In neutral, hold the brakes.